So this is a demonstration on how to insert a photo into Google Slides or any presentation for that matter without disturbing the aspect ratio. So first of all, I go to Image, Insert Image. You have a direct link to your photos from here. So it wasn't that one, it was this one that I used. Okay. For photo B, I clicked on the side and drew it in. See how that looks smushed? This is the incorrect way to insert a photo. The way to do it is you insert the image, and if it's too big or if you want to fit more on the slide than just the one, you can go up here to your crop tool and you can pull in the sides. See this inner black square here? I can hold over that side one and I can actually crop it. You could crop it in photos beforehand, but usually when I'm in my slideshow, I know what kind of room I'm gonna need. So I just crop it in there. So I hit the crop tool again. If it's still too big after I've cropped it, then what you want to do to resize it is use the corner. That's the proper way to maintain the aspect ratio so that it doesn't look smushed. It makes your work look better, looks the best it can be, is if you slide on the corner. And it could be any corner as long as it's on the corner and not on the side. So this right here is a big no-no. Where is my, we do not want to do it that way. No, do not demonstrate that way. Okay, incorrect way, correct way. Thanks for listening.